All right, this is it. We are doing an unboxing. Now, I hate watching unboxing videos, but my friend said you need to do one. So this is my new Zizzo Urbano Folding Bike. Why did I get this summer? Because I have two puppies, two little mini poodles, and they want to get out and run. And this little bike is going to be so cool because it goes in the car, it folds up, but it's also got a low step over so I can run the dogs on it and not worry about getting hurt. So let's take a look at what we got with this Zizzo. But first, I just want to give acknowledgments. I'm sporting a new haircut today by my friend Kelly Schweiger, who prepared me for this video. I am wearing my favorite shirt top from Woolix. This is their Jackson Henley, one of my favorite clothing companies, Woolix.com. And of course, I'm wearing my new Paca socks made from alpaca wool. So this is just exciting to me. I've got new socks today, I've got a new shirt, I've got a new haircut, and now we have our Zizzo bike. So we're going to open this up. And look, the girls are excited because they know this spells summer adventure for them. So in order for my wife to get into this, I had to agree to sell my scooter and my mountain bike, which I haven't been using for the last couple of years. So this is going to be great because this will be something we can use and have fun with. And fun is what this company is all about. In fact, their byline as a company is the science of fun. And I love fun. So with it, I got some extra parts. We'll get to those later. We don't really need to see those. I've never done an unboxing before, but I've been waiting for this for like a week since I made this decision. So here we go. Out comes. Okay, out comes. Nothing is coming out. But it's going to come out here pretty. Here we go. We're going to just tip this up like this and do. Ow! I got my finger caught. Okay. Once we get this out of here, it's going to be great. You just got to pull, and there it comes. Okay, there comes that. Don't know what that is. And the bike, the seat is kind of in the way, and the pedals are in the way. But this is how unboxings go. Okay, there we go. There we go. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. There's stuff in the bottom. We'll worry about that later. Okay, here's what's so cool. Okay, this is the science of fun. What I love is this is like when I was a kid, I had an erector set and you put stuff together. So being able to work on stuff, put stuff together, look, the seat comes out. And what we have to do is we have to get a pair of clips. And we have to, look at this, guys. This is 24 pounds. This is just going to fit in the back of the car. It's going to be killer this summer because this will go in the car with, well, me and the dogs and my paddleboard. It's going to be great. And I think we're just going to clip this right here. We want to be careful not to clip the wrong things because you clip the wrong things and there goes your bike. Okay, and the girls are definitely excited. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let's set these down here. This is fun. Huh? Oh, don't leave the plastic on the ground. We're just going to pull stuff off. This is amazing that you can go buy a bike and have it shipped in the mail. The other cool thing about Zizzo that I fell in love with, I was looking at electric bikes. They're like 50 pounds. And the challenge is I couldn't get my wife to do a buy-in on an electric bike because she said I would get no exercise from that. But this is going to be exercise, fitness, and fun. And it's a small American company, so I'm doing business with a company. Everything is made and manufactured right here in the United States. And we're gonna pause the video for just a minute while I get this figured out, and then I'll be back. All right, so we're back. All of that struggle was simply because I did not see the Velcro strap. And I remember this was in their video on how to unbox it, but once you take the Velcro strap off, the magic happens. That solves the problem because now my bike opens up. Look at this, Anna. And I got the gray. This comes in a beautiful red too. But look at that. And then it's got a kickstand. Now, I know a lot of bikes today come without kickstands. When you're a guy like me, you need a kickstand so your bike doesn't get all beat up when you're out and about. Okay, so we just have to now get to take the, oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. Here comes the handlebar. It's supposed to just snap into place. Well, the handlebar somehow snaps into place, but there goes the handlebar. There's the bike, and the nice thing about this, I'm just going to be able to step through, and I'm ready to take my dogs for a run, and if they take off on me, I can just step down on the ground, and we're ready to go. So I'm going to finish putting this together. we're going to do a safety check because you know my name, Forrest Townsley, Forrest S. Townsley. The S stands for safety. So we're going to do a safety check to make sure we're good to go. And just a quick note on this one. This is their Urbano model. It's the next to the top one. It cost a little bit more than their base model, the Campo, which I looked at and I decided, you know, I'm going to be riding this bike for a long time. So this does have upgraded shifters, upgraded derailleurs. It's got a little bit lighter frame. And then what's going to happen next when they come back in stock and we can get the rear rack that goes on it. So I can put a basket on it. If the dogs get tired, we can put the dogs in it. Or I can put my wool blanket in it. We can go out and sit by the pond. So we'll come back as soon as we get finished putting this together. All right, we're back. So this has been fun. This is little Sophie. She's Anna's dog. And Abby's over there looking out the window. But Sophie is looking to this bike going, this is going to be fun. So, and then look, the colors even match. Now Sophie will actually turn silver, which is going to make it great when we're out riding bike, and actually put her in a little basket on back of the bike, and off we go. So we finished figuring out how to set it up. So cool. So the seat actually has marks on it. So the seat just moves up and down very easily. The handlebars, watch this. You just unlatch this and they fold up for packing. Then we fold down for riding. That is sweet. This is so well made. And then they have, of course, an adjustment here for the handlebars that we figured out. This is the knob for folding the bike in half. And then even the pedals, okay, we're not doing those clip-in pedals because this is like, let's get out and be safe and have fun. But watch this, the pedals, you just pull them out and they snap in place. So the pedals fold up, the bike folds in half, we step on. Now I'm still off the ground, but if anything goes wrong when I'm running the dogs, I just stand up and we're good to go. And the bike stands right there. So the safety factor of this is going to be great. We've got 1.95-inch tires on it. That's cool. And watch this, 2 fingers, 24 pounds in and out of the car. And we've got 8 gears on it. Okay, we've got beautiful brakes. And we're going to just finish doing a couple safety checks on it and take it outside and see what we got. This is going to be fun. Remember what I said? The Zizzo is the science of fun. My middle name is fun. The dogs are going to have fun. And my wife and my daughter are going to think, Dad's having fun. So we'll be back to you in a little bit when we go outside for the first spin. All right, so I've done one test run on it to make sure I'm not going to fall off, but the little Revo shift here is great. The shifter is great. I've got the handlebars. This is so cool because you can get the handlebars adjusted just right so I can sit upright and not be doing this thing, which is not good for my back and neck. And as you're going to see here in a minute, with a little bit of practice and skill, I can do some cool stuff with this bike, like taking jumps. So off the jump we go, whoa, and around we go. And we can ride this around the parking lot. And it is like turning out already to be, I've now ridden this bike more than I've ridden my mountain bike in the last couple of years. So down the hill we go. Look at this, off terrain. Okay, it's beautiful and off terrain. And then coming up the driveway, I've got it in low gear so I can wave. Here's where the dogs are gonna be, right here. And this, as I said earlier, surely and clearly spells fun for summertime. And then when we're done, we just fold it in half, drop the handlebars down, in the car it goes, and we're off to adventure. At 24 pounds, I could even put this in a backpack and take it up the mountain with me. Yes, good girl. Whoa, whoa, come on, let's go, come on. Running time, just try not to get Dad killed. Yes, running time, running time, running time.